Logan Gamer XDX, and ow, this is my friend Brandon.
Hey.
And he's like a pro at YouTube videos, so he's gonna edit this video a lot. So say hi to the camera.
Hello.
So my girlfriend's coming over later because we're gonna do another video. We're gonna make a video on our Nerf war. So that's gonna be awesome, like really cool. We're gonna probably upload it by today. Dude, stop hurting me. This kid's whack. Oh crap, he has a rival. This kid has a rival. Say hi to the camera. Oh crap. Oh! Ow! Ow! No! Please don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Ow! I feel the pain already. I feel the pain.
Every bullet I got.
Yeah, everybody he got.
Every bullet.
My friend should be coming later. But don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video. Peace.